not bored.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತಂತೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
I am Chandrasekhar from RR Nagar, Bangalore. I was born and brought up in Bangalore only. I worked in Kirloskar Electric Company earlier for 7-8 years. Then joined BHL. I worked for more than 30 years in high voltage area and retired as a general manager. Then I worked as a visiting professor in Rajarajeshwari Engineering College for about 3 years, teaching power electronics. And generally, I go to different colleges. Recently, I went to Madam's Harvik Engineering College to deliver some lectures on my area. And basically, I was a bathroom singer. I was singing due to responsibilities during our work pressure, not able to concentrate on music. I developed as a hobby, and I make regularly YouTube videos. I given several radio programs and TV programs also, and I participated in many stage shows also. And I got one daughter who is settled in US.
Why only one?
Because of lack of time. So that is she settled in US, and I got 2 grandchildren.
Good.
3 days back they are here.
Now he has to go back, and his grandchildren are waiting.
So
They did not allow him to come at 10:30. So 12:30 he is going to. Sir, please start. Good.
Good that you introduce yourself properly.
now I'm going to sing one Kannada song, my favorite song.
Please.
ಇದೇ ಹೊಸ ಹಾಡು, ಹೃದಯ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಹಾಡು, ಹೃದಯಾಶೆ ಭಾಷೆ ಹಾಡು, ಹೃದಯಾಶೆ ಭಾಷೆ ಹಾಡು, ಇದೇ ಹೊಸ ಹಾಡು, ಹೃದಯ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಹಾಡು, ಹೃದಯಾಶೆ ಭಾಷೆ ಹಾಡು, ಹೃದಯಾಶೆ ಭಾಷೆ ಹಾಡು. ಮನದಿ ನೆನೆದ ಮಾತುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧುವಾಗಿ ಸವಿಯುವ ಹಾಡು, ಸವಿಯಾದ ಜೀವನವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯಾದ ಒಲವಿನ ಹಾಡು. ಮನದಿ ನೆನೆದ ಮಾತುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧುವಾಗಿ ಸವಿಯುವ ಹಾಡು, ಸವಿಯಾದ ಜೀವನವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯಾದ ಒಲವಿನ ಹಾಡು. ಒಲವು ಚೆಲುವು ಒಂದಾದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಯಾರು ಮರೆಯದ ಹಾಡು, ಇದೇ ಹೊಸ ಹಾಡು, ಹೃದಯ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಹಾಡು, ಹೃದಯಾಶೆ ಭಾಷೆ ಹಾಡು, ಹೃದಯಾಶೆ ಭಾಷೆ ಹಾಡು. ಚಂದ್ರಕಾಂತಿ ಚಿಮ್ಮಿದ ಹಾಡು, ಮೈ ಮರೆಸಿ ನಗಿಸೋ ಹಾಡು, ಮುಂಬಾಳೆಯ ಮುನ್ನಡೆ ಹಾಡು, ತಾಯಿ ದೇವಿ ಹರಸಿದ ಹಾಡು. ಚಂದ್ರಕಾಂತಿ ಚಿಮ್ಮಿದ ಹಾಡು, ಮೈ ಮರೆಸಿ ನಗಿಸೋ ಹಾಡು, ಮುಂಬಾಳೆಯ ಮುನ್ನಡೆ ಹಾಡು, ತಾಯಿ ದೇವಿಯ ಪುಣ್ಯದಾಡು ಕನ್ನಡಾಂಬೆ ಕಲಿಸಿದಾಡು ಇದೇ ಹೊಸ ಹಾಡು ಹೃದಯ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಹಾಡು ಹೃದಯಾಶೆ ಭಾಷೆ